In this video, I will show you how to make your Valorant account public on tracker.gg. Open your web browser. In the URL bar, type tracker.gg/Valorant and press enter. Then click on sign in with your Riot ID. Enter your Riot username and password. Then click on the arrow icon to sign in. Once signed in, you will see a message stating, by signing in, you acknowledge that your profile becomes public. Since you are now logged in, your profile is automatically set to public. Search for your Valorant username on tracker.gg. If your stats appear, your account is now public. That's it. You have successfully made your Valorant account public on tracker.gg. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.